All the girls they don't call. A booga, a booga baga. Hey, fire, fire, they go. Why did you stop my neighbors? Hey, you. Welcome back to Luchie's Lounge. This is season 4 of Liana, day 28. And today we're just vibing. We're just vibing. We're just vibing. Didn't say. I'm so excited for the New Year's. It's going to be 2026 in 3 days, right? 29, 30, 31, in 4 days. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my Jesus. It's gone. No, 2025 is gone. And I have one mission like this in 2026. One. Look beautiful, take care of myself, and make a heck load of money. Yeah, and have fun. That's more than one thing. But basically, it's like going back to the roots. No more goals, no more vision boards. Okay, I might have vision boards like where I want to go to and blah, 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 blah. But nothing that's going to choke my neck like this. No, nothing that's going to make me at the end of the year feeling like I'm not worthy. No. I woke up for 365 days by God's grace. That is enough. Yeah, I took care of myself, fed myself, clothed myself by God's grace. Yes. So do you know what we're going to do? We're going to go back to basics, back to when we were just babies. Yeah. What were we most worried about while we were children? Food, to eat good food, to play, to sleep. I don't think there's any other thing. So why not just implement that in my adult life? Let's say eat good food is me taking care of myself physically, my body, my mind, my spirit, prayer, like your mind with like resourceful things that aligns with what I believe. Spirit with God, spiritually with God, and food, physically feeding my body. You know, so the bunda would stop. Then play. Let's say play is our work, because work is basically play. You just choose what kind of play you want to keep doing for a long time, maybe like forever or whatnot. So work, I choose content creation and music. Like it. Just have fun. Just me being creative. Yes, just being creative. My TikTok, that is my prayer. That is one of my biggest prayer points, because Lord, I know that content creation is going to take me to places, and I'll be crazy to even stop. It's not crazy that I've not been like big monetized. It's going to be crazy if I stop. So if I stop, what am I going to be doing? Drugs? No. No. And then sleep is going to be rest, meditation. So that's my goal. Eat, play, and sleep. Rest, meditation, taking time off, relaxing, dwelling in the secret place of the Most High. 2026 is going to be an amazing year for me. Amazing, I'm telling you. With just these 3 things, you just have to eat good food, mentally, spiritually, physically. Just have to play hard, play very, very, very hard. Yes, play risky, play jaga, play anyhow, play be the highest player. Who plays the most gets paid the most. Remember. Yeah. And then rest, sleep, enjoy, meditate, relax. Yeah. That is the craziest, most easiest, most basicest goal for a year that I've ever heard, and let me tell you something. I am those kind of people that has like 50 things they want to achieve by the first quarter of a year. For me, Luchie, to say I just want to eat, play, and sleep, this is a revolution. And I'm urging you guys to join in. And well, you guys are going to see the kind of peace that comes with it, kind of joy and prosperity and peace of mind, man. That's going to come with it. And I'll always welcome you all to Luchie's Lounge. It's about to rain and I need to make day 29's video. Thank you, Luchie, for filming this video. I wash clothes today. Oh, thank you. Hey, you, for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Take care. Bye. Mwah. Rain, rain, go away. Come again no other day. I want to shoot day 29's video. I'm going to shoot it anyways.